Okay. So question 76. Determine the value of voltage V1 in the figure shown below. This is the figure given. So this V1 we have to find. 25 ohm, 0.2 V1 current, 10 ohm, 5 ampere current, 100 ohm. Okay. So we have to find this quantity. Options are 100 volt, 14.28 volt, 50 volt, 68.25 volt. This will be the equivalent circuit of this. How we got this? First step is, let's say this is A node and this is B node. Rotate this node to this, connect, because they are shorted, so you can connect this to this. So there is a rotation, so you can see the current source 0.2 V1 and I rotated 25 ohm, positive, negative V1. Positive, this B is positive, A is negative. B is positive, A is negative. 25 ohm current is going from A to B, 0.2 V1. Okay, this part is done. So this above part you got it. Now this 100 ohm resistor will came here. So you will see something like this. So this is your this is not your B node. This is your current and this is 100 ohm. So this point is this point, this point is this point, which is this point. Okay, now you can see this whole thing is rotated like this. So 100 parallel with 100 ohm. So this you can see parallel with 10 ohm. So 10 ohm you have. Okay, so like this we have rotated 10 ohm. Current is going from, this is your B node, current is going that way, 100 ohm is there. So 100 ohm and 10 ohm are in parallel and 5 ohm current is going. Now the last step is, this whole circuit is rotated with respect to B, because now whole circuit is here. So like this last path will be covered like that. So it will be rotated in this fashion. That's how you will get this guy. Okay, so if you rotate this, you will get 5 ampere current and 10 and 100 are in parallel. Okay, A, B. So that's how you get the whole circuit. It's a bit confusing, but if you will go step by step, you will get it. Now take reference node as A node. So you will get V1. This is like this I am applying a KCL. So at node B I am applying. So V1 divided by 25 plus 5. This 5 current is leaving. This current is leaving. This current will leave. V1 divided by 100 parallel 10 is equal to 0.2 V1. This current is coming. Okay. So if you solve this equation, you will get V1 is equal to 100 volt. Okay, which is A option.